Everybody loves homemade bread, but we don't have time to make it. So why not let Cuisinart do it for you? The Cuisinart automatic bread maker has a compact footprint without sacrificing functionality. It offers a variety of loaf sizes as well as 3 crust options to choose. Try light, medium, or dark crust and select your loaf size as 1, 1.5, or 2 pounds. With 12 pre-programmed menu options, you're sure to find the perfect freshly baked bread recipes you've been wanting to try. And for a quick and easy recipe option, flip through the included recipe guide to find everything from gluten-free and artisan bread creations to jams and sauce recipes. The automatic bread maker is specifically designed for maximum efficiency with minimal usage of your countertop. The viewing window and interior light make it easy to watch your bread spring to life without escaping valuable baking heat by lifting the lid. The removable kneading paddle and bread pan make cleanup a snap. The bread maker features an easy-to-read LED display, delivers functions including bake only, and has a 13-hour delay start so your bread is perfectly timed to serve. Wake up or come home to oven-hot bakery-fresh artisan breads right in your own kitchen with the Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker.
The Zojirushi Home Bakery Supreme Bread Maker fills your house with the warmth and aroma of freshly baked bread. This bread maker makes a traditional shape 2-pound loaf, along with cake, pizza dough, sourdough starter, jam, or even your own custom creation. To begin, remove the non-stick baking pan from inside the machine and attach the dual kneading blades securely to the rotating shaft. 2 blades ensure thorough mixing and kneading of ingredients for improved baking results. To make bread, pour liquid ingredients such as water or milk into the baking pan, then the flour. Next, add the sugar, dry milk, salt, and butter. To add the yeast, make a small depression in the flour and pour the pre-measured amount into it. Insert the baking pan into the bread maker and use the easy-to-read LCD control panel to make your course selection. The homemade course has 3 programmable memory settings, which allow you to set the knead, rise, and bake times. Select your desired level of crust darkness using the crust control button. An optional 13-hour delay timer lets you prepare bread at night and wake up to it freshly baked in the morning. Then press Start to begin. The viewing window allows you to watch the process while it's kneading, rising, and baking. Basic bread is ready in about 3 hours and 45 minutes, while the quick course completes in just a little over 2 hours. Cleanup is a breeze. The removable non-stick baking pan and kneading blades can be washed gently with dish detergent and warm water. And for storing, the recessed handles on the side of the bread maker make it easy to carry. Accessories include a full-color recipe booklet, instructional DVD, measuring cup, and spoon. The technology used in the Zojirushi Home Bakery Supreme Bread Maker may be new, but the anticipation of eating freshly baked bread never gets old. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday. Hamilton Beach, premium dough and Breadmaker machine. Features an automatic fruit and nut dispenser that will do it for you at the ideal time. Fresh bread in just 3 steps. Add your ingredients to the Breadmaker, select the cycle, and press start. 14 program cycles. Breadmaker settings include Basic, French, Express, gluten-free, artisan dough. Choose from light, medium, or dark crust options, and 1.5 or 2 pound loaf sizes. The bread machine pan and paddle are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning.
The Breadman Professional Bread Machine gives you bakery-like results from the comfort of your own home. The stainless steel finish looks great in any kitchen. The panel includes controls for everything from loaf size and crust color to programming the 15-hour delay timer and the 14 different baking functions. The fruit and nut compartment stores your favorite add-ins and then inserts them into the mix at the best time during the baking cycle. The dimensions of the unit are 13.5 inches wide, 8.5 inches deep, and 12 inches tall, so it fits in almost any kitchen setup. The included accessories simplify the baking process. The measuring spoon and cup are essential for adding accurate ingredients. The recipe book has great tips for choosing the right baking cycles, using the right ingredients, and so much more. Before adding ingredients, you should install the collapsible kneading arm. Its smart design stands up straight and spins to combine ingredients efficiently during kneading and collapses naturally during baking. When installing the piece, make sure it's aligned properly and attached securely. If it's not connected fully, it could lead to bad mixes or even scrape the bottom of the pan while it spins. Once the kneading arm is installed, it's time to add the ingredients. Add them to the baking pan in the order in which they're listed on the recipe. When everything is added in, all you need to do is close the lid and choose the right baking function and loaf size. Choose from 14 different baking cycles and from 1 pound, 1.5 pound, or 2 pound loaf. Make sure to follow the included recipe book to find the best cycle for all types of breads, doughs, and jams. For that bakery fresh bread on demand, get the Breadman Professional Bread Machine in your kitchen.